Feeling left behind and comparing myself to other people has always been something I've struggled with my entire life. And I've actually never talked about it with anyone because it's bothered me more than I like to admit. But I recently just got over that. And the amount of substantial growth I've not just seen in myself, but my business and relationships have been catastrophic. So in this video, I'm gonna do a very raw, unfiltered type of video that explains how I got over comparing myself and what the advantages are of basically doing that and not feeling left behind. And if you guys don't know who I am, I'll let you know really quick. My name is Torsten Roscoe, and I help short form content creators streamline their editing workflow, so now you don't have to waste your entire day just editing a video and dreading editing that video. All you have to do is drag and drop my video editing assets and you will be done in one single click. So if you want to learn more about that, I'll leave that in the link description. But for now, let's get into how I eliminated this comparing myself and feeling left behind. So if I go way back to childhood, I've always just compared myself to other people. I've always compared myself because I honestly, when I was young and stuff, I was not very strong. Didn't really think I was very looking because I never really got any girls. And I didn't really have a very healthy home to go back to. My parents were constantly fighting and just stuff like that, yada, yada, yada. No one really gives a shit, to be honest. But that developed me to always constantly look at people and compare myself to someone and make myself either feel better about myself because they were either less of a person than me or feel down on myself because I thought they were better than me. And I never realized until I would say a year ago that was drastically destroying my progress in my life when it came to personal and business, etc. So the way I got over that is I actually was on my phone one day and I heard a quote from Emerson, and he said this: "Every man is my superior in some way, and in that I learn of him." So that quote just basically turned a little switch in my brain that said, Torsten, you need to stop comparing yourself and feeling left behind and instead learn from these people. So if they give you good information, learn from them just like that. Someone can always teach you something, either if it's a bad habit, like if they smoke weed or smoke cigarettes, they're teaching you not to do that because it's ruining their life. But if someone is also very successful, you can learn from that part of their life, but obviously not learn from something else. You can always learn from someone no matter how they are, no matter where they are in their life. And the substantial growth of me trying to learn from every single person has been phenomenal. My business has grown so much from me trying to learn from people instead of compare myself from people. And also I have very strong relationships with those people and enhanced my talking skills to build a relationship with someone and not be afraid to go up to someone anymore and talk. I can just instantly go up to someone, shake their hand, nice to meet you, man, and it just flows like a river. So now make it a habit to always try to learn from someone no matter what, because every man is my superior in some way, and in that I learn of him.